07. I'm Commander Warm Mince, and today I'm going to give you an overview of OD Massacre Stack Manager. Just a small application I've created for people like myself who are far too lazy to fill out a spreadsheet, yet we like to manage our stacks. So, the first thing we've got is up the top here, there's a couple of drop downs. The first one is for selecting our missions. We've got an option for our Horizon missions, our Odyssey missions, and the ones that we've completed. To the right of that, we've got some sorting options, and that's just for this mission list here where we can sort by various options such as system, station, faction, and so on. In our main mission list though, the first column we've got is our source system. It's obviously where we pick the missions up from. You'll notice there's a little icon just to the left there, and this is a button we can press just to copy that system name to the clipboard quickly for pasting into our galaxy map. Next one along, we've got the station from which we got the mission, the faction who gave it to us, the people they wish us to kill, and the amount of kills they want. And with the kills, they are automatically tracked in game, so whenever you receive a bounty for that target faction, it'll automatically increment the counter for the appropriate missions. And on the right there is obviously that's the total amount of kills you need, and on the left is the amount of kills you've got so far. Should for some reason a kill be missed by an application, you can use the plus and minus buttons here to add or remove kills as need be. Next along, we've got the reward, and that's the maximum reward offered for the mission. The next would be the expiry date and time, and then the little icon at the end here will show you if it's a wing mission or not. But when we are hovered over any of these rows, we can right click on them, and that will give us some options. The first option is to add it to our mission source clipboard, and we can change the state of the missions, and we can even delete the mission. There is a confirmation for each of these before you do it, so you don't have to worry about accidentally pressing these. But if we wanted to say add this one to our clipboard because we don't have it in the list there yet, just click the button, we get an option, click yes, and it adds it over here, look. So, with our mission source clipboard, this is just where you can keep a list of stations and systems where you source missions from and a note of where they target. Obviously, you can add it from your mission list here, but if you wanted to add to this list manually, you can click this add source button here. You type in the name of the target system, go with Manani, type in the source system, and then the station you get it from. Like so. Click the save button, boom, it adds it to our list for us, and then we can right click on anyone in this list and copy the various options to the clipboard. All right, just again for pasting into your galaxy map. Should you not need this up and you need a bit of extra space, you can click this little button here just to hide it away, and then obviously click it again to expand it. And down in the bottom corner here, we've got our stack information. This shows you which factions we've got stacks from, or missions from as it were, and the faction that you're targeting for that particular one, the amount of kills needed in total for all the missions that you've got from them, the difference being the amount of difference between the kills you need for that faction and the maximum amount of kills you need for that target faction from somebody else. So, for example, you see here this one from Garland Future. That's the most I need, 135 kills to complete the 2 missions I've got for them. The difference being 0. Pop down to the one below, you can see I need 99 kills to complete their 2 missions. So the difference is 36. This is just so you can try and get your stacks as even as possible to maximize your profits. And as it's pretty obvious, the count here is the amount of missions you've got, with the reward being the total amount you can get from the missions that you've got for that particular faction. And you will notice as I hover over here, it highlights the row for me, but it also highlights the relevant missions for that particular faction. And if I hover over here, it will highlight whichever one it is. It will highlight the faction there in that line. Now, in our bottom left corner here, we've got our target faction info. So if we have missions for more than one target, they'll all be listed here separately with their own stats. So stats being the mission count, the amount of active missions. Now this is missions that you're still working on. If a mission is ready to turn in, it's been redirected back to the source station, then that would drop. Say, if I complete the next one, it would drop to 19 active missions. Below that, the count, that's the total amount of kills you need to complete the entire stack. Your kills remaining, the amount of kills you still need to get to finish the entire stack. And then below is the kills to the next mission completion, the total amount of kills, which is the amount of kills all of these missions add up to, and then a kill ratio being how good each kill is. So each kill in this case counts for 8.25 kills across all the missions. And we've got our average credits per kill, per mission, our stack value, and our shareable value, which are identical in this case because all of them are wing missions. But if we had any solo missions in there, we'd be able to see just how much we can share with other commanders compared with how much we can get for ourselves. And the current turn-in and shareable turn-in values, which are, again, however many missions are ready to go turn in, this will show you how much they're worth. So you can decide for yourself whether it's worth finishing that one last mission or not, whether it's better just go turn in what you've got done and pick up some more while you're at it. So say we are playing and we get a kill, see all these stats will update. So say I get a kill now, you'll see all of our counters have incremented with this one highlighting white here to let us know that this is ready to turn in, and now our current turn-in value and shareable turn-in value have updated, as well as the kills to next completion. We now need 9, all right? And with our kills remaining has gone down as well. All right. And that is about it. I hope you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the black. 07.